The internet changed everything. Remember Blockbuster? Gone. Taxi cabs struggling? Yep. The internet creates winners and losers. The good news? You can be a winner. The internet is a gold mine. But instead of digging for gold, you're digging for opportunities. Opportunities to make money, work from anywhere, and be your own boss. Sounds good, right? This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hustle, it takes learning. But guess what? You have this thing in your hand, your phone. That's the key. Let's unlock it together. What are you good at? Writing, designing, coding, someone out there will pay for your skills? That's the beauty of freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients globally. You set your rates, choose your projects, and work on your own terms. No more office politics. Start small, build your portfolio, get those 5-star reviews. Word of mouth is powerful. Freelancing is about freedom and control. You got this. Ever dream of running your own store? E-commerce makes it possible. Sell anything from handmade crafts on Etsy to vintage finds on eBay, or even your own product line on Amazon. The best part? You're in control. You source the products, set the prices, and build your brand. It's hard work, but the payoff? Being your own boss is priceless. Don't be afraid to start small. Test the waters, find your niche, and grow from there. E-commerce is booming. Jump in. Section 4, Teaching. Sharing is caring and profitable. Are you an expert in something? Photography, cooking, coding? Maybe you have a knack for graphic design, or perhaps you're a whiz at digital marketing. Whatever your expertise, there's someone out there eager to learn from you. Share your knowledge and earn money. Teaching online is not just about sharing what you know, it's about connecting with people who are passionate about the same things you are. Online learning is huge, and people are hungry for new skills. From learning new languages to mastering complex software, the demand for online education is skyrocketing. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell online courses. They provide all the tools you need to design engaging content, reach a global audience, and track your progress. You record videos, create materials, and boom, you're an online educator. It's a straightforward process, but the impact can be profound. Your course could change someone's career or hobby for the better. The more value you provide, the more students you attract. And the best part? You get to interact with a diverse group of learners, receive feedback, and continuously improve your course. You create the course once and it can generate passive income for years. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big project. Sharing is caring, especially when it pays. So why not turn your passion into profit? Start creating, start teaching, and start earning today. Section 5. Blogging, Vlogging. Find your voice, build your empire. Got something to say? Passionate about something? Whether it's a hobby, a skill, or a unique perspective, your voice matters. Blogging and vlogging can be your path to online income. It's not just about making money, it's about sharing your passion and connecting with like-minded individuals. Share your thoughts, experiences, or expertise with the world. Your unique voice can inspire, educate, and entertain others. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or even by selling your own products or services. There are numerous ways to turn your passion into profit. It takes time to build a following, but with consistency and quality content, you can build a loyal audience. Authenticity is key. Stay true to yourself and your message. Be yourself, engage with your audience, and provide value. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. You never know, your blog or vlog could be your ticket to freedom and financial independence. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Your journey is just as important as the destination. Section 6. Remote work. Ditch the commute, not the paycheck. Imagine waking up, grabbing a cup of coffee, and starting your workday without ever leaving your home. Remember the days of being stuck in traffic? Hours wasted, stress levels rising, and precious time slipping away. Remote work is here to stay. It's not just a trend, it's a revolution in how we approach our professional lives. Companies are hiring for virtual assistant jobs, customer service roles, and even specialized positions, all done remotely. The opportunities are vast and varied. Websites like Indeed and LinkedIn are gold mines for remote work opportunities. You can find roles that match your skills and interests, all from the comfort of your home. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether it's a cozy coffee shop or a serene park, your office is wherever you want it to be. Imagine working from a beach in Bali, The sound of waves crashing as your background music, the sun warming your skin as you type away. Remote work offers flexibility and a better work-life balance. No more stressful commutes, no more rigid schedules, just more time for what matters most. Spend quality moments with your family, pursue hobbies, and live a more fulfilling life. Plus, you can work in your pajamas. Comfort and productivity can go hand in hand. Embrace the freedom and flexibility that remote work brings. Section 7, Conclusion. Ready, set, hustle. The online world is your oyster. Whether you're a creative freelancer, a passionate entrepreneur, or a skilled professional, there's a way for you to make money online. It takes work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards are immense. You can achieve financial freedom, work from anywhere, and be your own boss. So, what are you waiting for? Choose your path, take action, and start building your online empire today. The internet is waiting for you.